I know you're a fool for unhealthy love. 'Cause you got the stars, but she could hit them through strong. She gives you the world, but you pollute it with your head. The man in the moon tells me that you're unhappy. You always come in the show. Oh my God. Ain't none of my business though. Not my business. I can tell you stories that I've heard about you and her. I can say this, I'll forgive you. Oh, all the hurt, I'll let it go, I'll let it go, I'll let it go, I'll let it go, I'll let it go. Woo! Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. That's not for you guys right now, though. You want to love something? All right, we're gonna finish this out. Ooh, that is so many floors. Meet me downstairs in the bar and her. Your rolled up sleeves and your salty shirt. He said, what did you do with him today? Then sniffed me out like I was Takeaway. 'Cause you're my fella, my guy. You're stellar and fly. By the time I'm out